Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to remove extension from Google Chrome. Let's start with the video. First of all, open your Chrome browser. After that, click on three dots, go to the extension option and then click on manage extensions. Here on the left hand side you will see my extensions option. Click on this option. And now here you will find all the extension that are installed on your Google Chrome. You can also direct visit this page by searching Chrome://extensions and it will open this page. So now here you can see all the installed extension. So simply look at the extension you want to remove. Just like I want to remove this extension. So just click on remove button. Here you will get a pop-up to remove the extension, so simply click on remove and it will be removed from your system. Similarly, you can remove other extensions as well. There is also another way to visit this page directly. Just like open the new tab and here you will find this extension option. Click on this option and then click on manage extension and here you can see all the installed extension. So just look at the extension you want to remove. Just like I want to remove this extension, so simply click on remove and then again click on remove button and it will be removed from our system. So guys, in this video we saw how to remove extension from Google Chrome. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.